Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to make this type of viral content on Filmora mobile. Keep watching! Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. First, place all the clips and music onto the timeline. Then select the music track, select beats from the menu, and select peak, and it will add peak beats to your music track. Now go to the start and change the aspect ratio to 1:1 and adjust the first clip position on top. Then select the second clip and switch the track and place it under the first clip and adjust the scale and position. Then select the third clip and use freeze frame and keep it for 3 seconds. Then again, switch the track and place it under the first and second tracks. Then select the Smart Cutout option and select Remove Background. Then at the end of the clip, place a keyframe. Then at the start, adjust the scale and position. Now go out and select the PIP option and use the torn paper image and then remove the background and then add a fire effect to it. Now click on the first intersection point and add a shake transition. Now add the same shake transition to the rest of the intersection points. Now we will add effects. Go to the effect and search for Pulse Shake 3 and add it onto the track. Then search for Mild Shake and add it. Then search for Zoom Bounce and add it. Adjust the Mild Shake and Zoom Bounce position to make the start from the second clip to the end and Pulse Shake 3 from the start to the end. Now we will use a filter to enhance the colors. Go to the filters and search for FO02, apply it, and place it above all the clips. Now let's see the preview. That easy to make viral content on Filmora mobile. Download Filmora mobile now and explore the world of possibilities. See you in the next video.